In this video, we will talk you through how to program a button or flexible key on your handset for iPECS Cloud. Log into the Cloud portal as normal with your user credentials. Once logged in, navigate to My Phone and Feature and select Phone Configuration. You'll now be presented with an image of your phone, along with the details of your extension. For reference, you can restart the phone from here if you wish rather than restarting using the handset. The buttons on your phone are labelled on the image. To change a button on your handset, scroll down to the list of buttons. You may have some buttons configured already. To program a button, select the tick box next to the button you wish to program. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Modify. You'll be presented with a list of options. If button class is set to Fixed button, this will give you a predetermined list of options. These are options that are most commonly used, such as callback and transfer. On some handsets, these buttons are not already fixed on the phone, so if you need them as a programmable key, you have the option to add them. To add an option that is not in the predetermined list, select Digit from the button class drop-down. In the following field, you can choose if you wish to program a feature key. Call page, which is option 500. The call page would then let you make an announcement to a phone. You would need to select which phones to make the announcement to, otherwise you would need to provide more details in Digit. You would need to select which phones to make the announcement to, otherwise you would need to provide more details in the Digit string. The other option is to choose a mobile or external number. This may be for a number that you call often. Enter the phone number and name or description. Click Save to program the button, followed by OK to register to your handset. You will now see the program button details listed. This will appear instantly on the desk phone. There is no need to restart the handset.